Alright, thanks for joining me again. Let's start by gathering some of the materials we're going to use for this design. Base coat. I'm going to recommend a couple of two of your base polish colors, another accent color, and I am throwing in a second accent color just because I think we might need some pop, just in case, depending on how things are panning out, and then something to stamp with. I have not chosen yet my stamping plate, but I'm going to get to that shortly. But I'm going to step away from here for a few moments and just get my base coat on. So I'll get to that. Be right back. Alright, base coat is done, and the next thing we're going to do is decide on our base polishes, which will be these two. And I am going to do 2 nails with an accent color, and then the rest of the nails will be with this color. And so let's get to that. Next up, we are going to start our artwork. I'm going to put some peelable protection on my cuticles. This is a by KNI Beauty called Glitter Up. This is a latex tape, and this is an optional step. You don't have to use this. You can use tape, you know, actual tape like washi tape, or if you're okay with just cleaning up with acetone, do that. But you can also make sure that your cuticles are highly moisturized, and then you'll be able to just take off your smudges with just a little bit of a brush and acetone, or with your tape. It all really does come off much easier. Alright, next we're going to do some dry brushing, and I'm going to come in here with my light color, and we are going to brush, and I am going to brush along the left outer edge of my nail. Dry brush. See, it's pretty dry. Let's move that out of the way. Alright, so just lightly swipe this until you are happy with the amount. Alright. This is not a white, as you well know from my screenshots here. This one doesn't show up so good, but that's alright. We can go over it a second time. Alright, I'm going to go over it a second time. Now that's such a thin coat that we don't really have to wait to dry. So on the blue nails, I'm going to put the green, which will tie the accent nails in with the regular nails or the other nails. I've decided I'm going to bring in the bright color. Really want this just super sparse. Just a little bit. All right. Okay, we're back. I've taken the tape off and I have decided to go with this plate. I'm going to use this image up here. The plate is by Ajubis Sarah R2. It's a two-sided plate. Really nice plate with all kinds of leaves and things like that on here. All right. I've got my little cube stamper, one of my favorites, and one of my favorite scraping things, and let's get to this. And with a little acetone. All right. And let's get ready to finish this off. All right, now let's go ahead and put down our favorite top coat. I'm going to use the Bundle Monster, I guess they're now Maniology smudge-free top coat. This is an oil-based top coat, and so that's the difference between this and your other traditional top coats. Now, on a day-to-day basis, my favorite top coat is Glisten and Glow, and I do not have any problems with it smudging, but I don't have a bottle of it right here on my nail desk, so this is what we're going to use. And this will help preserve your mani. And there we go. I did my thumb off camera. All right, let's give this a try for a few moments. All right, and there we go. I hope you enjoyed my sort of comeback video. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. Boop. And that's down there somewhere. No, it's over here. And if you're not already following me, subscribe to my channel, and that's down over here. And when you want to be notified of my videos that have been posted, please click the bell. You'll get the notifications then. Otherwise, just subscribe, and you'll have to manually come on over to YouTube and check for anything new that's been added to the feed. And below you can add comments or questions, anything that you want to know about, and I am going to put information down below on the products that I have used to the best of my ability. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, And I will see you again very soon. Ta-ta!